Ms. Tubbs, have you been drinking?
Yes, I have a couple of beers, yes.
One, what, 24 ounce? What kind?
But like, why would you ask me?
I'm going to give you a PBT.
A few moments later.
Okay, Ms. Tubbs?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Yeah, I already know.
If this were a criminal proceeding, Ms. Tubbs would be in a raft of shit. It's not, so she's not, but in any other courtroom, she could have been held in civil contempt at least. That's not how Judge Simpson rolls, though. Watch him for any length of time, and you'll know he's a tenant's rights judge. Of course, landlords don't have any rights in Michigan to begin with. I gotta hand it to the plaintiff's attorney here. He saw right away what was happening, and didn't bother objecting to an adjournment of the hearing and making his clients wait longer for a resolution. Ms. Tubbs is hammered, and she's a riot. Let's roll, nerds.
New Park Ridge Apartments versus Tubbs.
Interesting for the plaintiff. I thought she was going to come and give us evidence that the Mr. Gardner's bonus had changed.
Mm-hmm.
Would launch us into some kind of discussion of a COD. Do a couple of things here if you want to give her more time to show up.
Okay,
But
we can do that.
and I'll check the sex offender registry addresses while we're waiting.
Okay, all right, then I'll pass this then. Court recalls the case of New Park Ridge Apartments versus Tubbs.
Same for the plaintiff, Your Honor, our decision to wait for Ms. Tubbs, paid off, she's here.
State your name. Okay. Where are we on this case? And then I have a question.
There,
Goodness. I usually don't work
this
on
is the worst thing that happens today.
I know, I never do that. I'm sorry. I never have my.
The sex offender registry still shows Mr. Gardner is living there. There's I found in there somewhere where it looks like there was some check made on 8/27 and 29, so August of this year. I don't know what it means. I'm not saying that that means they confirmed it, but there's a date in August of 25 in the sex offender registry records. And I did a Lexus person search, and apparently his driver's license is at her address still. She acknowledges that it has not been changed. I given Officer Allen the default judgment. I think it could now be after hearing, and she says she wants to try to get this done. And so if the court gives her more than the 10 days.
Yes, because he had went to the post office and changed all his mail, which last time I was here, I didn't know.
Ms. Tubbs, before you go on, have you been drinking?
Yes, I have a couple of beers, yes.
How much did you have?
I drink beer. Like,
Okay, so how many beers did you have?
18 ounces or 24 ounces, yes. I would.
Yeah, that's the nice thing about the 24 ounce. You can say I only had 2 or 3 beers.
So this morning,
No, like,
can you get Terry to sit down here with the PPT, please?
I will say like 2 or 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning, because that's what
2 or 3 o'clock in the morning, you started drinking?
that's what time I usually get up and drink milk beer.
Okay, so how many did you have this morning?
Beer,
Just one? One, what, 24 ounce?
20. I would say yes.
So that's like 2, but what kind,
I'm into 24 hours.
24 ounces. So, what kind?
But like,
Oh, of course. Bud Light. Why did I ask?
but I used to drink Miller High Life, but I drink Bud Light. I used to drink a lot of liquor, but Bud Light. Why would you ask me?
Because I've got to determine whether or not you can adequately do this hearing. Mr. Allen,
Your Honor.
Mr. Allen,
I,
I'm going to give you a PBT.
what is that?
Okay. That's a preliminary breath test.
Oh, okay.
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 So here's what's going to happen. You're going to go back with Mr. Allen, and there's going to be a PBT. You just need to blow into the machine, and then we're going to see. Okay. Thank you, Miss Tubbs. Watch your step. Okay. Bye bye. I know. Glad that's what came out of her mouth. All right. You know, there are times in life where I'm just afraid to call another case. Just kind of take a pause and you just hold. Are they?
They're doing what they do.
Okay.
Some people wake up in a number that would send other people to bed.
I know. I know. You know, I was just going to ask for breakfast. Really? I don't think. Off the record? No, I'm going to say what I got to say. Because.
Who's getting that for whom?
I'm not really sure, but I'm afraid to go back and look. Let me, is, Mr. Lloyd, is yours simple? Where did Lacey go?
Very fast.
That's what Magnus said. And then, no. No, I'm kidding. Where you go?
We heard you.
Oh, holy. Hold on a second.
Yeah.
Miss. Okay, Miss Tubbs?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Yeah, I already know. I was drinking last night too.
Yeah.
And an idiot. I already know what it was gonna be, Miss, stuff.
Uh-huh. Okay, so let me first ask you this, and then I'll try to see what we're gonna do with your case. How'd you get here?
I got dropped off by my sister.
You didn't drive.
No, I don't drive.
That's probably a good
I
thing.
have a license, so I don't drive. I know I.
That doesn't stop everybody, but okay, so Mr. Fink, I don't know that I could say I'm going to do this after a hearing because she is highly inebriated. She's a .224.
They need to do that seriously.
That's probably about 3 sheets to the wind. Never mind. You don't know what, off of one beer? No, you had more than one.
Okay, I'll play the drinking game too, so that's probably it. Oh, man, did I say that? I'm sorry. I do play the drinking game.
But that wasn't beer, right?
That was,
You were just talking about beer.
yeah, I
Like,
did
that's
have
what we're lying.
a beer at 3 o'clock or something in the morning, but I did play the drinking game the night before.
So,
Told the truth. And
And then
not the
not the
truth,
truth,
but not.
But I didn't tell the truth, whole truth. So Simpson, I didn't tell the whole truth, but I played the drinking game of life. I played a drinking game.
Your Honor, the efficient thing to do would be to come back on Friday with a regular landlord tenant docket.
Yes, it would.
The kind things to do would be to maybe come back the next Friday so she could have one more shot at trying to get him to the state police and get it
You know, but the police is way out in, right now, have
You
transportation.
don't have to go there. Willie Gardner's got to take care of it, or you're gonna get put out. And everybody's-
Oh, he had to,
Everybody's trying to get tenants on the team.
oh,
So how about
come on, Mr. Judge Simpson.
26, Your Honor?
Come on, what?
Judge Simpson, I do not need to be, I ain't had a permit in 15 years and I finally got my own permit. I know his was a sex offender or none of that stuff.
Okay, so
But when I come back, I'm gonna be
Just
here.
on the regular docket.
On the-
26.
on the 26th. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do. All right, I'm going to adjourn this and it's gonna go back to basically a pre-trial for September 26th, 2025 at 3 p.m. That's in the afternoon.
Oh, yeah.
Okay,
Cause
so
I'm gonna drink at 3 a.m. I'm just playing. I'm just playing.
okay, I just Miss Tubbs, Miss
I appreciate you, Judge. I really do.
Miss Tubbs.
I can't be get out my permit.
I know, but Miss Tubbs, here's okay. I'm giving you basically 10 days to sober up and get that.
Right today, I'm not drinking no more today. I promise. I ain't gonna drink no more till the 22nd. I'm just playing with it too. I just try to keep my apartment.
I know. So I'm not.
Two grandkids. And
Okay.
they never come to my apartment.
Okay, I'm not gonna get into that. All I need.
31 grandkids, 10 kids, 31 grandkids.
31.
31 grandkids, 10 kids, 5 boys, 5 girls. And they love coming to my apartment, just, they don't live with me, but they just like to come and play.
Okay, so here's the deal. I'm gonna adjourn it out to the 26th at 3. Next time you walk into my courtroom, you need to be sober.
Promise. I got a Bible in my purse.
No. Let's not do that. All right.
Bible in my purse. Look him up. Thank you, Judge.
Yep, you take care.
I am.
Okay,
Thank
you
you so much.
go ahead and you just be safe out there, okay?
Bring it on the bus. I had it right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah, no, we're not. No, we're not laughing at you.
Thank you.
Yes. How much you want to bet it's the wrong bus?
Any excuse?
Yes. Thank you, Mr. Fink. I'm going to keep calling cases because it can't get any worse. Field Properties versus Jason Mitchell.